Hey guys, today is going to be a relax and clean with me video. So grab a cup of tea and watch me clean, or pull your hair up and clean alongside me. Our youngest son still gets scared in the middle of the night, and so he comes and sleeps beside our bed. So I'm just folding his blankets to return to his room in hopes that he might stay there tonight. Pull the sheets up, I like to spray them down with a little linen spray. Today I just pulled out the Febreze. Starting my day out with a clean room and a nicely made bed. It makes me feel productive. Now I'm going to run the vacuum over our carpet. I try to do this daily as our youngest son is allergic to dust mites, and as I said earlier, he does sleep on our floor, so it's important to keep this vacuum to keep the dust mites away. I still haven't figured out the best way to vacuum my stairs, to either leave the long handle on or make it short. Either way, it's kind of awkward, but I do try to get them the best that I can. Living room is pretty well clean. I just wanted to tidy it up a little bit. The kids like to lounge around and read on these couches, so sometimes the pillows and blankets are a little messed up. And then I wasn't going to vacuum because I just vacuumed yesterday, but I saw a little shred of paper on the floor, so I know they had been doing something in there. This room just makes me want to grab a book and snuggle up on the couch and read the day away, especially on this day. It was cloudy and rainy. Now I just need to tidy up the back room. I had been watching TV down here last night and got really tired and just went to sleep and left it a mess. Also, I like to shove my dog's chew toy underneath the couch. Otherwise, he will chew on my blankets, but if it's right there, I can just pull it out and he will chew that and not the blankets. So I need some ideas on what to put beside this brown chair, so leave them in the comments below. As much as it seems like I'm always in the kitchen, either cooking or cleaning up the counters, I really am thankful because my husband will do the dishes after I cook, and our oldest son always loads the dishwasher and puts away the dishes. He's gotten to the point where he'll do it without me even asking now, so I'm actually a really lucky person. I know that watching other people clean their sinks is like one of the #1 favorite things during a clean with me video. I'm sorry, I'm just really not that good at cleaning my sink yet or getting a good shot of it, but I tried. Love having stainless steel appliances, but the handles on our refrigerator are so gross all the time. I think I wipe them down probably 5 times a day. And there's no feeling like that clean kitchen feeling. Gonna enjoy it before my kids come destroy it. I know you know what I mean. Thanks for cleaning with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.